Hello, I'm Steve Pilling, Technical Support Specialist here at PAC, and today I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to install and test the new PAC 511 DCi One Door Controller. In this demonstration we've mounted the case. It's got 4 solid fixing points. It comes with your power supply and also has enough space for a 12 volt 7 ampere hour battery. The initial set of tools we need for this installation is a set of side cutters, 2 small terminal drivers, a Phillips driver and a combination drill. Installation is simple with the PAC 511 DCi secure enclosure, which comes complete with a power supply and tamper switch. With PAC's easy 4-core wiring, reader installation is quick and simple. If an RTE device is required, this may be connected across the RTE and the 0 volt terminals as shown. The provision of an onboard lock supply and separate clean contact relays allows for locally powered or remotely powered locks, either fail-safe or fail-secure. Alternatively, the relay can be used to provide a volt-free output for any number of potential applications. In the power connector, we have an access section where we have the lock outputs and a 0 volts. In the lock output, that connects to the common of the lock relay, and the normally closed connects to the lock. This is for a normally closed fail-safe lock. With the installation now complete, it's time to power up and test. Here's where PAC's unique one-touch test feature comes into its own. One-touch test mode has 2 functions. One, reset the IP address, which is recommended when first installing, to an IP address of 169.254.10.5. 2, it also allows you to check the operation of the controller and readers without having to load any database information from the PAC access control software. To enter One Touch, simply press the One Touch button for 4 seconds approximately. The status LED will flash quickly. This will allow you to test your readers and locks with any card presenting to the reader. You will get a flash and your lock relay will release. To exit One Touch, you can hold the button down again, approximately 4 seconds. The system will go back to normal and your test card will not work and is ready for you to load your database. Further information on the features and benefits of the PAC 511 DCi controller, be sure to check out our 511 DCi demo video.